Division Bench of Karnataka HC allows government to conduct board exam for classes 5, 8 and 9 as per schedule from March 11. If the order is not stayed, it would prolong the present situation of uncertainty which is extremely detrimental to the student community virtually on the eve of their examinations. A division bench of the High Court of Karnataka on Thursday gave green signal to the state government to conduct a board exam for the summative assessment of students of classes 5, 8 and 9 as per the schedule beginning from March 11th. The bench comprising Justice K. Somshekar and Justice Rajesh Raike passed the interim order by staying the March 6 judgment of a single judge on an appeal filed by the government questioning the correctness of a single judge verdict. Noticing that there was no interim order restraining the authorities from holding proposed exams during the pendency of petitions before the single judge, the bench said in such circumstance, if the order is not stayed, the same would prolong the present situation of uncertainty, which is extremely detrimental to the student community virtually on the eve of their examination. The bench also noted that the proposed assessment has already been conducted for classes 11 and the competent authorities have undertaken all the preparatory activities towards the conduct of the assessment for classes 5, 8 and 9. The single judge had quashed the state government's decision to hold board exam for classes 5, 8, 9 and 11 from the academic year 2023 to 24 while declaring that said decision was taken without following the due processes of law as prescribed under the provisions of Karnataka Education Act 1983. Though the single judge had also quashed decision of government to hold annual exam for the class 11 through KSEAB, the exam for the present academic year concluded on February 28. Earlier, Additional Advocate General Viram Hulgol had contended that if the single judge's verdict is not stayed during the pendency of the appeals, the individual schools would be required to conduct internal examination at this juncture. As schools are not at the moment prepared, delay would be occasional in conducting the same, and such delay could even affect the academic calendar for the following academic year, the AAG had argued, pointing out that there are as many as 42,250 government schools and 2,660 aided schools which have made all preparation for assessment, and there are as many as 28 lakhs students who are prepared to write examinations. The AAG had contended that if the single judge order is not stayed at this juncture, then there would be an irreparable adverse impact on the student, their parents, and the school authorities around the state. The single judge had said that drastic change in examination system that would affect substantially a large amount of students could have not been introduced without adhering to the prescribed norms as per the law. However, the government in its appeal contended that the changed scheme of assessment or exams is no way contemplates an overhaul of the examination system, but merely seeks to bring about academic discipline and uniformity in the state's education system by requiring a single component of overall assessments to be conducted through KSEAB.